Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Bryn and forget about Bryce. Today we will be making 3 DIY home masks that you can make at your house. You should have the ingredients at your home. That's why it's called
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell and like the video.
And subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get right into it. So, for the first mask, you will need a handkerchief or bandana, and then you will need 2 hair ties. They can be the same color or different colors. So let's start. So first you'll want to unfold this, just like this. And then you will want to take the top corners and fold it just like that. So now you will want to take the bottom corners and fold it halfway and then another halfway with the top. Okay? Now you will want to fold it like this and put on your hair tie, and you put it on about 1/3 of each. So now you will open the last pocket. See? And you will tuck this part into this pocket right here until it gets to this black hair tie. Might have to tuck it and then fold it. That should be good. And you want to fold it just like this. And then put it on your face, and you're done. You may need to tuck it like this so that it fits perfectly. So for the second mask, you will need an adult sock and a pair of scissors. So I would prefer doing a skinny sock or a skinny adult sock, so that it's not that hot when you put it on. So we already made one, so I'm going to show you guys how it works. You will need to use the heel. So whatever is on the heel will be on your face. So first, you will need to cut it about right here on your sock. You cut it like about 2 or 3 inches away from the heel. You can throw this in the garbage. And then you will cut off the front part. You can also put that in the trash. So, as I told you, we will just be using the heel. So, after you do that, you will want to open up your sock, just like this, and you will need to cut a line right there, but do it on the opposite side of the heel. So you'll want to do it right here. Opening it would be better, and just do it straight down the middle. Just like that. Now you're going to fold it in half. So you will need to line the edges up, just like so. And then you will need to cut the corner off. There we go. And then make sure you cut both of them off. Now you will need, so this part is your ear loop. So make sure you line up the edges, just like this. Make sure this one is lined up. We cut about full way, but I would say to cut it about halfway, and then because you can always cut more. But if you want it fat, do it about right here. If you want it skinny, do it about right here. I'll do it fat. That should be good. No, that shouldn't be good. Okay, that should be good for now. So now we're going to do the same thing on this side. It's going to be a copycat. Okay. We'll flip it like this and put it on like this. Hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, then you can always cut more. Let's cut more. Okay, so we're gonna cut more, just like that. You cannot cut less, so make sure you cut less before you cut more. Okay, so this fits, but you might want to cut or tuck this part down. We're going to cut it. Okay, so we're going to trim off the top. And we'll see if that works. Let's see if that's good. Then you can tuck or pull this part down. So now you might want to cut off this part if you have a bunch of that. It's just gonna trim off. There we go, that might be good. Fold this part down. Okay, so there might be a little bit more. You can cut that off if you want. This is really good for kids, adults. You might need bigger socks for your mask. So overall, this one was before, this one was after. This one's a little bit bigger, this one's smaller. So do whatever one you would like and have fun with it. Be creative. So for our third and final mask, we'll be using a handkerchief again and two little ponytails again. So this is kind of like the other one, but it's a little bit different. So first, you will put your handkerchief out like this. The bottom is what they're going to see. So you want to fold it to about halfway, and then fold it again another halfway. So all in all, it should look like this. And now we will fold this side. It'll be a copycat. So now you'll take your little ponytail, but you can also use rubber bands. But we're using ponytails, plus the rubber bands can pull on your hair more. That's why we're using ponytails. So you want to scrunch it up. And again, it's about 3/1/3. So let's put it on both sides. Remember, copycat. Okay, so right here it should look like candy. So remember this little pouch that we made? We made a little pouch right here. So you're going to want to fold it like this again. And then you want to tuck it to the last one. Don't do it to like this one. Do it to the last one. So you want to do it on this side and to this side. And then you want to hold it and then pull on the hair tie. And so now we will do the same thing on this side. You'll want to open the pouch again and tuck it in and tuck it in. Oh, and this one's more for adults because it's big. Okay, so you can also hold it together and then stitch it or put a dab of glue, but we're just going to use tape. obviously don't use tape because you can't breathe through it, but we're just going to use tape because we're doing this for a example. So you will have to hold it and put it right here. And there you have it, another mask. So, thank you guys for watching, and please like the video, and subscribe, and click that little bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!